One of my viewers requested me to offer a solution to a problem on monopoly market. This is the problem. A monopolist faces the demand curve Q equal to 60 minus 2 over P. The cost function is C equal to Q times Q. Find the output that maximizes this monopolist's profit. What are the prices at profits? And that output. Find the elasticity of demand at the profit maximizing output. Now the solution. First state what is given in the problem. Q equal to 60 minus 2 over P, demand function. C equal to Q times Q. C equal to Q squared, cost function. These are the two functions we are given. Okay. Let us state the values we have to calculate. Profit maximizing output, price, profit, elasticity of demand. After stating all these things, think of the steps that you have to follow in finding a solution. Let us make use of a graph to understand this problem. This graph illustrates profit maximizing equilibrium. Its marginal cost curve cuts marginal revenue curve from below at E. This is the equilibrium point. Move down to the x-axis. We have to find output Q. Then move vertically up to the average revenue curve. It is the demand curve. Name that point as R. After reaching, turn to y-axis. We have to find the price P. To find the profit, we must know the average cost. Move down from point E to average cost curve. Name that point as S. Draw a horizontal line to y-axis. Name it as T. Area OPRQ is total revenue. Area OTSQ is total cost. Profit is OPRQ minus OTSQ equal to TPRS. Have a clear idea like this. We shall move to the calculation. We must know the marginal revenue and marginal cost functions. We have to obtain them first. Marginal revenue function can be obtained from total revenue function. So, we must get total revenue function first. From the demand function, otherwise known as average revenue function, we shall find the total revenue function. The given function is in the form of Q is a function of P. Since Q is the value that we have to calculate, it should be changed as P is a function of Q. State the given function. Q equal to 60 minus 2 over P. Let us clear the ratio 2 over P by multiplying both sides by 2. 2 times Q equal to 60 minus 2 over P times 2. 2Q equal to 120 minus P. Interchange the sides. 120 minus P equal to 2Q. Solve it for P. Minus P equal to 2Q minus 120. Multiply both sides by minus sign. Finally, we get P equal to minus 2Q plus 120. This is the changed form of average revenue function. To find the marginal revenue function, we need total revenue function. Total revenue equal to P times Q. Total revenue equal to minus 2Q plus 120 times Q. Total revenue equal to minus 2Q squared plus 120Q. Differentiate the total revenue function to get marginal revenue function. Marginal revenue equal to minus 4Q plus 120. We shall find the marginal cost. We are given total cost function. C equal to Q squared. Differentiate total cost function to get marginal cost function. Marginal cost equal to 2Q. Monopolist can obtain profit maximizing output by equating marginal cost with marginal revenue. Let us equate the two functions. 2Q equal to minus 4Q plus 120. To solve for Q, take minus 4Q to the left hand side. 2Q plus 4Q equal to 120. Simplify. 6Q equal to 120. Q equal to 6 over 120, 20. Profit maximizing output is 20 units. To find the price, substitute Q equal to 20 in average revenue function. P equal to minus 2Q plus 120. Minus 2 times 20 plus 120 minus 40 plus 120 equal to 80. Price is 80 rupees. To calculate profit, we must calculate total revenue and total cost. Substitute Q equal to 20 in the total revenue function. Total revenue equal to minus 2Q squared plus 120Q. Minus 2 times 20 squared plus 120 times 20 minus 2 times 400 plus 2400 minus 800 plus 2400, 1600. Total revenue equal to 1600 rupees. To find total cost, substitute Q equal to 20 in the total cost function. C equal to Q squared, 20 squared equal to 400. Total cost 400 rupees. Profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. 1600 minus 400, 1200. Profit 1200 rupees. Now we have to calculate elasticity of demand at profit maximizing output Q equal to 20. You recollect the formula for elasticity of demand. It is dQ by dP times Q over P. We need the value of dQ by dP, P and Q. To find dQ by dP, we shall have the demand function as is given in the problem. Q equal to 60 minus 2 over P. To find dQ by dP, differentiate it in terms of P. You get dQ by dP equal to minus 2 over 1. You know the value of Q and P. Substitute them in the formula. Minus half times 20 over 80. 40 over minus 80 minus 2. When we take the absolute value, we get 2. At profit maximizing output, the elasticity is 2. That is, demand is relatively elastic. Let us summarize the result. Output 20 units, price 80 rupees, profit 1200 rupees, elasticity of demand 2. Demand is relatively elastic. We have successfully finished the problem. We shall meet in the next video.